Number 21, Steven Piano. Steven is accompanied by his parents, Ernie and Leslie. Steven's favorite memory is tying the most threes in a single game and being part of a team and program that feels like a family. Steven's future plans are to attend four-year university. Steven would like to thank his family, friends, Pacifica coaching staff for always supporting his basketball ambition, as well as Coach Dillon, Coach Duvanos, and Coach White, who have pushed him to the best this he possibly can be. Number 21, Steven Piano. And now for your home team senior night, Pacifica Tritons. Pacifica starting out seniors tonight. Number 40, Jaden Zavala. Number 3, Brandon Castillo. Steven Piano. Number 4, Christian Garcia. And number 11, Richard Miranda. Tonight's channel coach officials, Jameson Deshard, Greg Allen Lee. Senior 21, Steven Piano. Senior number 4, Christian Garcia. And senior number 11, Richard Miranda.
Up and down!
Three-pointer Matt Simone.